Look what we find in Utah.
What's up, guys? Left the mid-Atlantic again. We're not in the Northeast, so we'll see how we do out west.
There's a bunch of elder crew running around here, just got in their cars, taking off. We're going to meet up with them today and head to Solitude. Ella's over there in the van, getting ready to open the door for them.
Got fresh snow all the way down to Salt Lake.
It's been snowing for like 2 days straight, so
we'll see what happens.
I don't know if our East Coast skills are going to hold up, but we'll try.
Sorry, Sunday River gave us a good warm-up.
That's true. All right, guys, we're going to head over to Solitude. We'll see you there.
Let's go.
Do I trust these dudes?
I don't know.
I don't know if I trust them at all.
Mark's getting ready in the van. Ella's pulling out the gear. Teresa's laughing at the little kids trying to get up the hill. So else, Solitude.
Solitude.
We can't see anything, so we can't be terrified of the mountains. We can't see it. It's mostly just snow. And are you apprehensive? What are you excited?
I'm nervous and excited at the same time.
Yeah, I'm kind of curious what we're getting into. They said there's like little canyons that you rip down and things like that, so I have no idea what we're actually going to go ski.
Yeah.
So it'll be a surprise. Surprise?
Yeah.
Something new.
Trying to decide if you're going to lead us down little canyons or...
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's where we're headed.
He's going for the deep end.
Yep.
All right. Well, there's
Steep
like...
and deep.
How many more of us out here? 5?
Maybe 7.
Maybe 7 more people out here. So we're going to try to meet up with them. We'll see you up there. We're at the top of the first chair. We're going to take a couple warm-up laps, waiting for the rest of the crew to get together. So, warm-up laps it is. It'll probably be scary though. So.
All right. Well, yeah, we'll just basically straight back down the front side. We'll just do new beam again.
All right.
And then kill some time, and hopefully they'll be ready here in a few.
Let's do it.
This is Jay, Muno. Jay and Muno.
And
Try to... Nuno. All right.
day number 4.
Make sure Ella's behind us. Snow's good.
This is great.
All right, I guess we got to keep up today.
Yeah.
Go on through. All right. Can't quite see. Quick little teaser. Snow felt good. Mark, how you doing back there?
Waist deep powder.
Really?
It was like really deep right coming out.
Does look deep.
Yeah.
I forgot the name of the lift we're on, but we're going to the top
Yeah.
and then skiing across down the other side or something, then going back up to the top. I don't know where we're going. I'll turn on my tracks and see if that helps us. That's steep.
That's really steep.
I guess that's the rest of the mountains up there where we're headed.
Do I trust these dudes? I
don't know.
I don't know if I trust them at all.
Just realized I have to turn on my ski track so I know where the hell I am later.
Oh yeah, yeah.
I'll be like,
What's
what
Ella
the hell
think?
tools was that?
Good stuff or what?
Yeah, I'm liking the conditions, but up
like
there
back
looks
home,
really
huh?
steep, so you guys
little
better
bit
not be
better.
leading me to my death.
Snow's just better, softer.
She's gonna be like, Dad, I'm in every year.
These are
I think
transitions.
that's
John,
everyone's.
right?
Scott.
Scott, got you too big backwards.
John's in the red and then cold.
Okay.
So cold red with South Carolina versus. Yeah, no, go take your break. Cool.
Take us right to
You know you're going through the woods?
No, you don't have to. You don't have to. All right.
I was gonna say I'll be right on your tail.
There is a fun line. You basically just go straight through there. It's a fun little rip. No, we don't have to do that.
Cool.
Save it for later. Right. When the camera battery dies.
Yeah, yeah.
So.
I mean, I'm okay falling there, but if you slip and go that way, it's ugly.
That's right.
Okay. Right
Oh.
there. Yeah.
I see what you mean. You can literally ski over to it.
Yeah, there's a trail open between the two. Definitely want to supplement.
Mark, we need to hike that.
That's Fantasy Ridge, right?
Yep. Honeycomb Canyon.
That's Honeycomb.
And you can hike the ridge line all the way up.
Oh.
There's a chain bolted to the ground. Wow.
I don't want to do that.
Huh?
I don't want to do that.
Why?
Well, why? Oh, okay.
As low as you want.
I'm like so confused right now.
That would be fun. Starts right there, yeah. And then like once, so like with.
So we're at the top of Honeycomb Canyon. Well, at the foot of it. Midsection. We're at the top of the lift.
We can go down some here.
It is steep. Very steep. There's a lot of powder up here. We could get down this. This isn't bad. This part, not bad. Those parts, a little much. You can see where it's just running. Yeah, just start following.
I don't wanna be just another one of your no's. No, I don't wanna be
whipping, dude.
She skis so good, it's crazy.
I know, fast.
Let's try going over here, see what happens. Yeah, I think I don't actually want to ski this part close to that chute right there. I just feel like you just be going really fast, you know?
Right.
It's not over till it's over, baby. It's not that I can be alone, but I just wanna be tonight.
That's off.
It's not over till it's over, baby. Oh, it's not over till it's over, baby. It's not over, is it, baby?
That was close.
Now I see why we're proud.
Yeah. All right. I would say either the far side or
That's all ice right there.
walk that edge that these dudes are doing. Oh,
I want to go over there.
all right.
I just bombed that little part, so I turn, bomb.
Oh. He's been up there waiting for somebody. Oy.
How was that?
It was all right. It was all doable.
All right, we got to bomb it to get through the cat track.
Right. Tuck it, Ella.
Bomb it, Mark, to get through the cat track.
She's still young enough where she can do the tucking it.
I know. I have to do something that's gimpy with my poles to one side.
I'm gonna bend my knees a little bit and look like I'm trying to.
Yeah.
A lot of gas right now.
Right.
We'll go take an apex up, and then if you're feeling like it, you can just go down to Moonbeam, and then if
Yeah.
you feel like you want to try another one, we'll check out Patton.
All right.
I see in your fight.
Go ahead, Marco. Get it from the top. It'll be a great video. Oh, over there? You going that way? I'm going in. Are you going in too? Go ahead. Go ahead.
Come now, what's done is done. Blazing yellow eyes, you're my rising sun. And somehow, you have me come undone. Dripping honey sky, you are my rising sun. You are my rising sun. Come now, what's done is done. Blazing yellow eyes, you're my rising sun. And somehow, you have me all the way down. Make sure at the bottom.
This will take us straight down.
Come now, what's done is done.
That one was a quick one.
We had a good time at Solitude. We skied a little bit of the mountain. Fortunately, some of the stuff was closed due to Avalanche, but I'm really happy we came.
Yeah. This is making me question if I want to live in Colorado or Utah when I'm
I know.
older.
The mountains are just a little bit more interesting. The snow
Yeah.
was really dry, good base, lots of powder to ski in. But we were able to ski right down to the van. The van's right there.
Yeah.
All right, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.
You are my rising sun.